hot. We can't be trusted.
I mean, they are the Summer Olympics, so.
Yeah. The athletes are like, we got this.
Yeah.
The rest of us,
They are. Yeah, they're supreme athletes.
My mind goes back to the World Games here a couple of years ago, and you asked every athlete, what do you think about Birmingham? It's hot. It's hot. That was the overarching theme. And hey, right now, the heat hasn't been as big an issue, but we've got a lot of rain and storms in the forecast. We're dry right now in Anniston with a few clouds, but certainly a lot of activity on the radar. That front still stalled out over central Alabama this morning, and that's triggering lots of showers and even a few thunderstorms. So we'll take a look at the radar here. A couple of downpours to keep an eye on right now. One over Sylacauga at the moment. That is over on the northwest side of town, over along Highway 280. That's going to be over towards Odina, too. And a downpour over towards Westover right now, too. So a little bit of rain showing up on the radar in Shelby and Talladega counties. A lot more rain showing up in parts of Tuscaloosa, Pickens, Lamar, Fayette, and southern Marion counties, with the heaviest rain falling from Gordo, Reform, north, back through Lamar County and western Fayette County. So from Fayette and Guin and points back off to the west, and some rumbles of thunder ongoing with some of this activity too. Through the rest of the day, more showers and storms in the forecast. It's not going to rain all day, but at times we're going to be dealing with these storms, and with this kind of pattern, telling you exactly when the rain is going to start and stop is not something we just have the accuracy to do. So just keep the rain gear handy, and if you hear thunder, make sure you head inside. Temperature sitting in the 70s this morning. Lots of moisture in the atmosphere, and that front just kind of meandering around. It doesn't really get out of the way much. It does a little bit by Monday, but even still, tons of moisture around and another front approaching back from the west. So it's going to be an active pattern over the next few days. Those showers and storms sticking with us over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday both look pretty stormy, and we'll keep at least a few showers and storms in the forecast into the start of next week. So no real big breaks anytime soon from rain. We're going to be in a very stormy pattern through the next 7 days, and a lot of rain on the way, 2 to 5 inches for most of central Alabama. We could see some isolated flooding issues pop up with all of this activity. So a lot of rain, but we do need it at this point. This is the latest drought monitor, and you can see the red that's popped up here across parts of Walker, Fayette, Marion, and Lamar and far northwestern Pickens counties. That's extreme drought conditions, and much of central Alabama in severe and moderate drought. So we do need rain. We're just hoping that we're spacing it out far enough with these storms that we don't see any major flooding issues, but I can't rule out at least a couple of isolated problems. Now, with all the rain around, temperatures staying below average, highs in the 80s through the next 7 days, but you're going to want to keep the rain gear handy and just make sure you stay weather aware. Head indoors if you hear thunder. Kristen.
All right.